Last video of dispersion, we have learned how to calculate mean deviation in the case of individual series as well as discrete series. As we know that mean deviation can be calculated with the help of three measures of the center tendency, that is arithmetic mean, mode and median. So already we have done equations of the discrete series with all three measures of center tendency. In today's video also we will learn how to calculate mean deviation in a case of continuous series. So we will having two problem of the continuous series and we will measure mean deviation with the help of the arithmetic mean, with the help of median, or as well as with the help of mode. So I am having here one questions of the continuous series to solve the mean deviation in a case of continuous series. So here the class interval is given 5 to 15 to 5 to 15 and 85 to 95. So the class interval is given 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75, 75 to 85, and last one 85 to 95. Frequency is given 3, 8, 15, 20, 3, 8, 15, 20, 25, 10, 9, 6, 4, and addition is 100. Here we have given a problem of continuous series. In that we are to calculate mean deviation from the help of the median and with the help of the arithmetic mean. So the very first I am calculating mean deviation with the help of the median. Here we have given the class interval, that is 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55. So the class interval is 10. Frequency is given. So the very first we will calculate cumulative frequency 3, 8 and 3, that is 11, 11 and 15, that is 26, 26 and 20, that is 46. Okay, 46 plus 25, that is 71, then 10, 81, then 90, then 96, and then 100. The very first to calculate the mean deviation from the median, the formula for that is equal to sigma f x minus m divided by sigma f. For getting the very first we have to calculate the value of median. So the median, for calculating the median, what we have to do? For median, the very first we will write m barabar size of n by 2th item value. So m is equal to size of 100 divided by 2th item value, that is 50th item. So the very first we will see in CF where the 50 is included, there is. So that will be the median group. Our median lies between 45 to 55. For getting right median, m is equal to L1 plus I upon f n by 2 minus c. So the value of L1 is lower limit of median group, that is 45. That is class interval of median group, that is 10. Frequency of median group, that is f. This is our frequency of median group, f is 25. N by 2 already given 50 and pre-cumulative frequency, that is 46. So 45 plus 10 upon 25 multiply 4. So our median is equal to 45 plus 40 upon 25. 40 divided by 25. 1.6. That is 46.6. So the value of Z is 46.6. Already we have discussed 46.6. Okay. Now x minus median. We will ignore plus minus sign. This symbol shows that we will not care about the plus minus sign. For getting this, very first we want center size, mid value. Mid value 5 plus 15 divided by 2, that is 10, then 20, then 30, then 40, then 50, then 60, then 70, then 80, then 90. To calculate mid value, what we will do? L1 plus L2 divided by 2, L1 plus L2 divided by 2, mid value 5 plus 15 divided by 2, that is 20 by 2, that is 10. So for calculating mid value, we will add L1 plus L2, lower limit and upper limit we will add and divide by 2, that will be the mid value. Now x minus median, we will subtract 46.5 with each of the item. So that will be 36.6, 26.6, 16.6 and 6.6. We are ignoring plus minus sign because already we have making a caption that show that we will not care about the plus minus sign is over there. All will be treated as the plus value. Next, 50 minus 46.6, that is 3.4, then 13.4, then 23.4, then 33.4 and then 43.4. This is x minus m. F multiply x minus m. We have to calculate this also. F calculate F multiply 36.6. So the very first 36.6 multiply by 3, that is 109.8. Second value 26.6 should be multiplied with 8, that is 212.8. 16.6 multiply by 15, that is 249. 6.6 multiply 26.6 multiply by 20, that is 132. Next 3.4 multiply by 25, that is 85. Next one 13.4 multiply by 10, that is 134. Next 23.4 multiply by 9, that is 210.6. 33.4 multiply by 6, that is 200.4. Next one 43.4 multiply by 4, that is 173.6. And addition of this all is 1507.2. Okay. So this is the value of mean deviation. So mean deviation from median, that is sigma f guna x minus m divided by sigma f, that is 1507.2 divided by 100, that is 15.07. So the value of mean deviation is will be having 15.27. Okay, 15.07 is right answer. Coefficient of mean deviation, that is mean deviation divided by median, that is 15.07 divided the value of median. Value of median already we is called m is equal to 46.6. 46.6. So divide by 100, divide by 46.6, that is 0.3234. If you are to want in percentage form, in percentage, that is mean deviation divided by median multiplied by 100, that is 32.34%. So with the help of this, with the help of the median, we can calculate mean deviation So in this video we have calculated the mean deviation with the help of median value. Secondly, for the same question, we have to calculate mean deviation with the help of the arithmetic mean also. So now second question, we are having this value and required this value. Remaining CF not required. Again we are having mean deviation with the help of arithmetic mean. Second, we will do the same mean deviation but with the help of arithmetic mean. For the very first, we will calculate value of arithmetic mean. For that, mid value required. Already we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. X bar is equal to sigma fx divided by sigma f. So for that, we require f multiplied by x. We will, this is your new x. 3 multiply 10, that is 30. 8 multiply 20, that is 160. 15 multiply by 30, that is 450. 20 multiply 40, that is 800. 25 multiply 50, that is 1250. 10 multiply 60, that is 600. 9 multiply 70, that may be 630. 6 multiply 80, that may be 480. 4 multiply 90, that may be 360. So addition of this is 4760. Okay. So the arithmetic mean is equal to 4760 divided by 100, that is 47.6. This will be our arithmetic mean. Now x minus x bar require 10 minus 47.6. We will detect x value is 10, x bar is 47.6. So the ignoring plus minus 37.6, 27.6, 17.6, 7.6. 50 minus 47.6, 50 minus 47.6, that is 2.4. So here 2.4, 12.4, 22.4, 32.4 and 42.4. This is the value of x minus x bar. What we have done, we deduct 14.6 with the each of item 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 10 minus 47.6. 20 minus 47.6 is 27.6. 50 minus 47.6 is 2.4. 80 minus 47.6 is 32.4. Next, f x minus x bar. It means we have to multiply this and this. So the very first 37.6 multiply by 3, that is 112.8. Next one 27.6 multiply by 8, that is 220.8. Next one is 17.6 multiply by 15, that may be 264. Next 7.6 multiply by 20, that may be 152. 2.4 multiply by 25, that may be 60. 12.4, 124, that will be 124. Okay. 22.4 multiply by 9, 22.4 multiply by 9, that is 201.6, sorry. 32.4 multiply by 6, here the value is 6, so 194.4. Last one 42.4 multiply by 4, that may be 169.6, and the addition of all this 1499.2. For calculating arithmetic mean deviation, that is sigma f x minus x bar divided by sigma f. So 1499.2 divided by 100, that is 14.992. That may be our value of our mean deviation. That may be the value of our mean deviation, that is 14.99. Coefficient of mean deviation, that is mean deviation divided by arithmetic mean, 14.992 divided by the value of arithmetic mean is 47.6 here. So this may be divided with 47.6 is equal to 0.3149. That may be 0.3149 in percentage form. For comparison, percentage is easy. Delta x divided by x bar multiplied by 100, that is 14.992 divided 47.6 multiplied by 100, that is 31.49%. So in percentage also we can calculate. So if we are having any problem of continuous series, it's a very easy to calculate arithmetic mean deviation. Whether you are to calculate with the median, whether you are to calculate with the arithmetic mean, whether you are to calculate but with the help of the mode, no problem at all. I am having another one example to calculate the mean deviation in a case of continuous series. For that we should also learn how to calculate mean deviation with the help of model value. So I am having another one example that will be make you perfect in calculating the mean deviation. So another one example is taken by me, and in this example we will calculate mean deviation with the whole help of all three items, from the median, from the mode, and from the arithmetic mean. Okay, so another one question is available on your screen. The class interval is also given x 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, and last one 55 to 65. The very first we have to calculate mid value of x, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Frequency is given 12, 19, 26, 23, 14 and 6. This addition is also 100 given. We are to calculate mean deviation with the help of arithmetic mean, with the help of mode, and with the help of median value. So the very first we are using mode. For calculating mode, this will be the model series, this will be f1, this will be f0, it will be f2. By observation method, we know that our model value lies between 25 to 35. So the value of z is equal to L1 plus f1 minus f0 upon 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 guna I. So the value of z, lower limit is 25 plus value of f1 is 26 minus f0 is 19, 2 multiplied 26 minus 19 minus 23 multiplied by 10. So the z value is 26 minus 19, that is 7. 25 plus 7 multiply 10, 52 minus 19 minus 23. So the value of z is equal to 25 plus 70 upon 10. that is 25 plus 7, z is equal to 32. So the value of z is equal to 32. Already we have calculated the value of z and it is 32. Okay. Then x minus z. We will subtract 32 from this, minus 22. 20 minus 32 minus 12. 30 minus 32 minus 2, sorry, plus minus ignoring. 8, 18 and 28. This is x minus z, ignoring plus minus. From 10 we deduct 32, 20 minus 32, 30 minus 22, 40 minus 32, 50 minus 32, 60 minus 32. F x minus z, multiply f with z, that is 22 multiplied by 10, that is 220. 12, okay, wrong. 22 and 12, 22 multiplied 12, that is 264. 19 multiply 12, that is 228. 26 multiply 2, that is 52. 23 multiply 8, 23 multiply 8, that is 184. 14 multiply 18, 14 multiply 18, that may be 252. 6 multiply 28, 6 multiply 28, that may be 168. And addition of all these items is 1148. Okay. The value of z, already we calculated 32. This will be required after. So already I have written on the blackboard, the value of mod is 32. Okay. Mean deviation from z, that is sigma f x minus z divided by sigma f, that is 1148 divided by 100, that is 11.48. Coefficient of delta z is equal to delta z divided by value of z, 11.48 divided by 32. So 11.48 divided by 32, that will be 0.3587. 0.3587 in percentage form. Delta z by z multiply 100, it is very beneficial for having comparison. That way 35.87%. So the value of delta z, that is 0.3587. I should write here. I am writing here. The value of z is equal to 32. Delta z, coefficient of delta z, 0.3587. Okay. So the very first we have calculated the mean deviation with the help of the mode. For that, the very first we have calculated the value of mode, and then applying that modal value 32 in this series, and we have calculated the mean deviation with the help of mode. Now with the help of arithmetic mean also we can calculate the modal value. So for arithmetic mean we require, the very first we have calculated from the mode, second from the mean. For mean, function of x is required, fx sigma fx divided by sigma f for calculating arithmetic mean. So the very first we will calculate fx. 10 multiplied by 12, that is 120. 20 multiplied by 19, that is 380. 30 multiplied by 26, that is 780. 40 multiplied 23, that is 920. 50 multiplied by 14, that is 700. And last one, 60 multiplied 6, this is 360. And the sum of these items is 3260. So the value of x bar, Value of x bar is equal to 3260 divided by 100, that is 32.6. So the value of x bar is equal to 32.6. The value of z is equal to 30, but the value of x bar is equal to 32.6. So x minus x bar we are to calculate without having any attention on the plus minus. 10 minus 32.6, that is 22.6, then 12.6, then 2.6. Now 40 minus 32.6, 40 minus 32.6, that is 7.4. So this value is 7.4, then 17.4, then 27.4. We require f multiply x minus x bar also in formula. So we were having the multiplication of this item and this item. So the very first 12 multiply 22.6, that will be 271.2. 271.2. 19 multiply 12.6, 12.6 multiply 19, that is 239.4. 2.6 multiply 26. 2.6 multiply 26, that is 67.6. 7.4 multiply 23, that is 170.2. 17.4 multiply by 14, that may be 243.6. 27.4 multiply by 6, that may be having 164.4. So the addition of this item is 1156.4. So calculating mean deviation, that is mean deviation, the formula sigma f guna x minus x bar divided by sigma f, that is 1156.4 divided by 100, that is 11.564. Coefficient of mean deviation from arithmetic mean divided by arithmetic mean, that is 11.564 divided by 32.6. 32.6. 0.3547, that is 0.3547 in percentage form. मीन डिवीजन अर्थमेटिक मीन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100, दैट इज 35.47. ये का ही है, इसमें 100 का मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. तो यहाँ कोफिशिएंट ऑफ मीन डिवीजन फ्रॉम एक्स बार, दैट इज 0.3547. देखिए इट्स नियर अबाउट इक्वल. 0.35 is equal in both of them. So we have calculate the mean deviation here in the case of continuous series with the help of median. Mean, last one, with the help of median also we can calculate mean deviation. So it's very easy. You should having a slow speed in the video, so you may learn how to calculate mean deviation. Now third method, with the help of median. For median we want cumulative frequency 12 plus 19, CF required 12 plus 19, that is 31, then 26, that is 57, then 23, that may be 80, then 94, and then 100. Okay. So for calculating m बराबर साइज ऑफ n/2th item value. So the size of 100 divided by 2th item value, that is 50. The very first 50 lies here. So this will be median group. C will be this. So m बराबर L1 plus I upon F n/2 minus C. So that is L1 is lower limit 25, class interval is 10, frequency is 26. This is 50 minus 31. So that may be 25 plus 10 multiply 19 divided by 26. That is 32.3 is equal to 32.3. So the value of median is 32.3. Just equal is. Now x minus median, ignoring plus minus, 32.3 we will detect, then 22.3, 12.3, 2.3. 40 minus 32.3, that is 7.7, 7.7, 17.7 and 27.7. Require f x minus m. This and this should be multiplied. So 22.3 multiplied by 12, that is 267.6. 267.6. 12.3 multiplied by 19, that is 233.7. 233.7. 2.3 multiply 26, that may be 59.8. 7.7 multiply 23, that is 177.1. 17.7 multiply by 14, that is 247.8. 27.7 multiply by 6, that is 166.2. So here 152.2 the addition of this. Okay. So mean deviation, we are to calculate the mean deviation from the median. Mean deviation from the median is sigma f x minus m divided by sigma f. So 1152.2 divided by 100, that is 11.52. Coefficient of mean deviation from median, that is mean deviation from median divided by value of median, 11.52 divided by median value 32.3. So what we are to do? Divided by 32.3, that is 0.3567. 0.3567. So the coefficient of median, that is 0.3567. Here you can see the all value contains 0.35 in percentage form. That is delta m bata m multiply by 100, 11.52, 32.3 multiply by 100, that is 35.67%. So for the comparison of, we have gone through with this question, we have calculated that whether we are taking mean deviation from arithmetic mean, whether we are taking from the median or mode, the result is same for all contains 0.35, 0.35 and 0.35. So the relative measurement is equal. So whenever we are having any kind of the comparison between the two series, always we use the relative measures of the mean deviation. Other mean deviation was, this item was different in the different here, but it is quite same. देखिए 0.35, here also 0.35, here also 3.35. So I think with the help of this video, you may be learn how to calculate mean deviation in case of continuous series is over there. We can calculate mean deviation with the help of the mode, with the help of the median and with the help of arithmetic mean also. So I think this video will be very beneficial for you to learn how to calculate mean deviation in the case of the continuous series. Thank you.